Hello guys and welcome to Elexhub channel. Another day, another project from Elexhub Engineering Department. Ang 3D printed robotics ay isang exciting field that combines engineering, electronics, programming, 3D modeling, and 3D printing. In this project, gagawa tayo ng simple 3D printed robot that can move and interact with its environment using an Arduino Uno RT, ultrasonic sensor, servo motors, and OLED display. Magsisimula tayo sa 3D modeling using Tinkercad. To learn the basics in 3D modeling, watch our tutorial on how to use Tinkercad in 3D modeling. Pagkatapos natin sa 3D modeling, export each part and print individually. To learn what to adjust in Bamboo Lab Studio settings to ensure a successful print and achieve the right balance between print quality, speed, and material efficiency, watch our tutorials on 3D printing. Habang naghihintay tayo matapos ang printing ng ating 3D robot parts, magpatungo naman tayo sa wiring ng ating components and sensors. Gagamit tayo ng tatlong servo motors upang mapagalaw ang arms and head ng ating robot. Mula sa servo motors to Arduino Uno Sensor Shield version 5, i-connect ang grounds sa ground pins, i-connect ang VCC sa 5V power supplies, at ang huli ay i-connect ang signal pins sa digital pin 11, 10, and 9 respectively. To make our robot interactive with its environment, gagamit tayo ng ultrasonic sensor. Mula sa ultrasonic sensor to Arduino Uno Sensor Shield version 5, i-connect ang VCC sa 5V power supply, i-connect ang trigger pin sa digital pin 7, i-connect ang echo pin sa digital pin 6, at ang huli ay i-connect ang ground sa ground pin. Gagamit tayo ng OLED display for aesthetic purpose. Mula sa OLED display to Arduino Uno Sensor Shield version 5, i-connect ang ground sa ground pin, i-connect ang VCC sa 5V power supply, i-connect ang signal clock pin sa analog pin 5, at ang huli ay i-connect ang signal data pin sa analog pin 4. Magpatuloy naman tayo sa sketch ng ating Arduino Uno RT. Proceeding to set up function, Initiate the serial monitor for debugging and log purposes. Initiate the OLED display as well. Attach the servo motors and set it to its default position. Let us proceed to loop function. Get the distance and check if the detected object is within 20 cm proximity. If the detected object is within 20 cm proximity, the robot will move, else the robot will go back to its default position and continue displaying an animation. Detach the servo motors afterwards to avoid the shaking of the servo motors. Dito na nagtatapos ang ating project. Thank you for watching. To learn more, especially on components and sensors used in this project, subscribe to Elexhub channel and see you in the next tutorial.